Hi, I'm Jennifer, a skincare specialist here at Novaskin, and thank you for joining me in this mini-series on our Winglim Slimming Body device. Today I'll cover the amazing technologies included within this device and all the incredible benefits you'll receive by using it. So let's dive right in. The Winglim is an at-home device that can dramatically improve the results of your body treatments, and it uses 6 specific functions to help you care for your most priceless possession, your body. The Winglim is an at-home device that can dramatically improve the results of your body treatments, and it uses 6 specific functions to help you care for your most priceless possession, your body. The Winglim has the capability of introducing your skin to sonic energy, galvanic ion therapy, LED light therapy, and EMS. Sonic is short for ultrasonic, and it's used for slimming the body. It breaks down body fat, flushes out lymphatic drainage, and stimulates blood circulation. Now let's talk about galvanic ions. There are 2 types of ions, negative and positive. Negative ions are used to help improve product absorption. They also improve cell permeability and promote collagen and elastin production. Positive ions are used to detoxify and cleanse the skin by pulling toxins out and eliminating dirt. Positive ions will help improve back and body acne, as well as prevent inflammation, and will also help unclog pores. Sonic, positive, and negative ion settings all use the metal massage probe. Always keep the metal massage probe in contact with the skin. Loose connections will cause energy dissipation on the surface and high potential difference in results. Now let's cover the 2 LED light therapy settings. On the device, you have the blue LED light, which helps heal pimples and also kill bacteria to reduce inflammation, while the red LED light helps smooth wrinkles and reduce discoloration. When using the Winglim device, you can use a setting by itself or combine settings for optimal use. In this series, I'll cover 2 combined setting methods. The first one is the anti-cellulite and slimming method. This method combines negative ion, sonic, and your choice of red or blue LED light therapy. The second is the body acne removal and slimming method. This method combines positive ion, sonic, and blue LED light therapy. Along with your Winglim device, you'll also receive EMS pads and gloves. Both provide powerful muscle contraction for toning and contouring. For specific instruction on how to use the Winglim device, as well as the EMS pads and gloves, make sure to stay tuned. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.